Huh?
I'm just so impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Really love it.
Thank you.
I'm just telling you.
Thank you, Terry. I greatly appreciate yeah.
You are just wonderful at what you do.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. Thank you.
I mean that. It's gorgeous.
Thank you so much. All right, guys, that is going to do it. My client is extremely impressed with the services today. I will say, guys, these floors came out amazing. Okay. So this was a engineered wood floor, screen, recoat with color correction, satin finish, ProCoat. All that color that was missing right there. And then the worst area is back here by the back door. Came out amazing. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. And to you guys that support me, just like Miss Terry watching the videos, this is why I do what I do, to show you the proof in the pudding. Huh? The dog? Oh, yeah, you let him in, yeah. Yep. All right. Yeah, come on, let him in. Come on, let
You know what? I think I'll just let him in after y'all leave.
Okay. Yeah, he's not okay. Hello. What's up, guys? Happy Monday, November the 24th. We are out here in Rome, Georgia. All right. So anyway, this is Mrs. Terry. She's about to leave. She is so excited to have her floors done. She has engineered floors. We also just added the countertops. Said, Courtney, let's do the countertops while you're here. So anyway, it's about a good hour, 45-minute ride. Not that bad, because we do go to Chattanooga, here and there. So you have to pass Rome to get to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So Miss Terry, actually, we spoke numerous times. She said, Courtney, I followed you. I watched you on YouTube. I've been to your Facebook page. And she even asked, she said, I'm going to have my video on YouTube, right? I said, yes, ma'am. So people love having their projects on YouTube. Maybe like less than 1% might say, they might say something about it, but most people, all my clients, like I said, 99.9% of people love having their project on YouTube. So what we're going to be doing today here, guys, engineer screen recoat color correction with UV cure and satin finish, and also going to be cleaning and buffing and sealing her countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. So actually, one of my good buddies, Chad Mays, he owns Advanced Cleaning Systems. They do area rug cleaning and also carpet cleaning. And they're actually, and I told Miss Terry, I said, I might come see when we can take a lunch break, I might go see my buddy Chad. Okay, his shop is not that far from here. She said, what a coincidence. She said, they're coming to pick up my rugs and clean my carpets tomorrow. So that is oh man, that's really cool. So yeah, me and Chad been knowing each other for about a good 8-10 years. So anyway, guys, let's go take a look at these floors. These are the typical hand scraped engineered floors. As you can see, we got a lot of missing veneer all through here. Now this is the dining room, not too bad, but all through here. Okay. Also, she had her own furniture movers move the furniture this morning. She said, Courtney, it literally took them less than 30 minutes to move the furniture out. All through here. Now we're going to be doing these countertops right here, because she said she just had this one installed. So we're going to clean, buff, and seal these two right here. Alrighty, here, this closet hallway. All right. And then, yeah, I got a lot of missing veneer all through here, So this screen and recoat color correction is a great process for these type of floors, guys, where it will cost you thousands. I think this job is $3,600 to replace this floor. You're looking at a good $15,000. See all that missing veneer there? All right, guys, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Truman, Hardwood in the building. Rome, Georgia. We brought that shine back home.
900 feet of engineered wood. Screen and Recoat made it look real good. Color correction with that satin flow. ProCoat, RadCoat, watch the whole room glow.
Client found me on YouTube, saw the proof online. Click play on a video, now they book that shine. Walked in, walked out like brand new. The UV cure hit quick, same day breakthrough.
We put that soul in the floor tonight.
Rome,
Georgia shining under soft warm light.
satin finish smooth,
Like a jazz bass line.
Truman, hardwood.
Yeah, we make it divine. Ooh, UV cure got the room so tight. Walk on it, same day.
Feeling just right.
We brought the funk, the glow, the groove.
Another floor saved with the Truman move. Dust free, scuff free, color brought back.
Oh, they brought back.
Real to real vibe with the floor on track. Engineered wood, but we treat it like gold.
That ProCoat system never gets old. Feel that groove when the top coat sets. Instant cure magic, no regrets. Oh yes. When they saw that reflection down the hallway line, they said, Courtney, good Lord, this floor looks fine.
All right, guys. Miss Terry just got back. I'm still in the process of UV curing the floor, but she can walk in and take a look. Man, these floors came out amazing. Let me see what Miss Terry has to say.
Truman, hardwood.
Yeah, we make it divine.
All right, Miss Terry, come on in. Tell me what you think.
Cure got the room so tight. Walk on it, same day.
Feeling
Just right.
Yeah, come on in.
another masterpiece, another set rebuilt.
Truman touch got that 70s silk.
Rome,
This is
Georgia,
amazing.
feel that groove.
Truman hardwood always makes it smooth.
Look at these floors now. Yes.
Ooh, yeah.
What? You did nothing? Wow. And look at there by that back door. That's all cured back there. So you can feel it now. Now check it out. When you're walking down, it feels like a little tacky. Now go up in there and feel the difference. You feel it?
Yeah.
How it's nice. See there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow, this was the worst part.
That was the worst part. Yep.
Great. That is awesome.
Thank you.
This is really
And look at your countertops. We did your countertops too. Yes. Yeah, probably never been done. Just need a good polish, buff and seal. And that's what we did to those. Wow. Yeah, she said she's in shock.